Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Outdoor kitchen in a lush tropical garden, modern black metal pergola with a slatted wooden ceiling, dark gray stone countertops and backsplash, built-in grill and cooking area, vertical garden wall with various green plants, wooden deck flooring, path made of gray stone pavers, vibrant red and pink foliage, lots of green tropical plants and trees around, sunlight filtering through the leaves, warm golden light, detailed textures, 3D render, perspective, high detail, beautiful. Elegant, high quality, composition, realistic lighting, no artifacts, no blur. Impressionist garden, lush green foliage, vibrant orange and red vegetables in raised beds, rustic wooden pergola with a dark brown wooden framework, stone pathways dotted with light gray pebbles, a fire pit with flames, surrounded by herbs and plants, warm sunlight filtering through the trees, a small dark brown kiosk/barbecue area beneath the pergola, detailed textures in the wooden pergola and raised beds. Terracotta colored brick raised beds, rich jewel tones creating a sense of depth and vibrancy, shallow depth of field with focus on the fire pit, carefully arranged plants, organic and natural feel, tropical garden aesthetic, Indian inspired, midday sun. Lush garden setting, modern dark gray and brown outdoor kitchen/dining pavilion, dark stone, basalt, flooring and walls, wooden accents, vertical living wall with various green plants, ferns, vines, etc., warm, ambient LED lighting highlighting plants and kitchen area, green lawn and flowers, detailed landscaping, impressionist lighting, detailed textures, depth of field, natural light coming through the trees, realistic shadows, high resolution, ArtStation quality, 3D rendering. No harsh shadows. Outdoor kitchen area, stone walls and patio, warm earthy tones, rustic stone walkway leading to a deck with a pergola, modern grill and built-in cabinets, lush green trees and bushes, yellow pumpkins or gourds in raised beds, natural light, slightly overcast sky, depth of field, focus on the walkway, detailed stone textures, impressionistic style in the foliage, peaceful and inviting atmosphere. A variety of plants and vegetation, a few outdoor dining tables, careful composition. Impressionist garden courtyard, lush vegetation, vibrant oranges, yellows, and browns, sun-drenched, warm light, ornamental trees laden with ripe oranges, stone walls, open-air space with a light-colored sofa and armchairs with mustard yellow cushions, dining table and chairs inside a modern light-colored interior with a kitchen area, flowers of various orange and yellow hues, cobblestone or stone patio floor. Detailed foliage and textures, realistic shadows, architectural design. Mediterranean style, natural light, peaceful atmosphere, no harsh shadows. Contemporary concrete pavilion nestled within a lush garden, sun-drenched scene, view through large glass walls reveals a cozy interior with wooden furniture and ambient lighting, dark gray concrete walls and dark stained wood cabinetry, muted warmer tones of gray, beige, and brown, rich green foliage and accents of dark gray/black stones and pebbles, Zen garden style with carefully placed plants and rocks. Smooth natural stone pathways, black metal accents on fence and structure. Impressionistic soft lighting emphasizing the textures of the materials in the garden, detailed landscaping, close-up view, high-quality photorealistic render. Sun-drenched courtyard, terracotta orange walls, arched doorways, lush greenery, various potted plants, small trees, decorative circular mural in the wall, geometric pattern tiles on the walls and the floor, cream-colored woven rug on the floor, light beige/cream outdoor seating area, warm, rich oranges and browns, soft greens, natural light, detailed textures of the plants and walls. Spanish colonial or Mediterranean style, detailed, well-lit, peaceful atmosphere, focus on the center, no harsh shadows, photograph-like realism. Interior, rustic kitchen, exposed beams, dark gray wood cabinets, colorful vintage tile floor and backsplash, brightly colored floral and geometric patterns, wooden countertops, potted plants, hanging plants, pink bougainvillea, outdoor patio space visible, open to a garden, warm lighting, wooden stools, vintage kitchen appliances, wooden work table, mix of textures, organic, depth of field, carefully arranged, vibrant colors, Spanish colonial style, focus on the tile. Work, slightly muted colors, warm brown and terracotta tones. Modern concrete outdoor kitchen, tropical garden setting, hyper-realistic, dark gray concrete structure with black cabinetry, warm golden orange ambient lighting, stone countertop, dark brown/black bar stools, fresh green foliage surrounding the structure, path of stone steps leading to the kitchen, plants and shrubs fill the area, organic textures, sleek design, kitchen appliances and utensils. Illuminated under cabinet lighting, realistic lighting and shadows, detailed landscaping. Stylish modern design, photorealistic, detailed photo. Outdoor kitchen, Mediterranean, impressionistic, warm lighting, terracotta roof tiles, brick walls, light beige stucco, terracotta tile flooring, built-in stainless steel appliances, gas stove, oven. Wood and stone counters, ample shelving, lush potted greenery and herbs, garden beds with various plants, overhanging trees and foliage, rustic, cozy atmosphere, 3D, high detail, photorealistic, soft shadows, natural light, vibrant colors, focus on texture of materials, carefully arranged elements, high quality, beautiful, detailed, exquisite, architectural, detailed image, depth of field. Rustic outdoor kitchen display booth, curved wooden booth structure, dark brown and gray wood paneling, lush green vertical garden/wall with various foliage, plants and herbs displayed on shelves and in pots, dark gray metal accents, black smoker/wood-fired oven, modern stainless steel countertop appliances, oven, sink, corner kitchen design with dark wood cabinetry and countertops, terracotta/brown patterned floor, an outdoor table and chairs made of dark wood are visible, warm. Lighting, lots of plants, natural light, exhibition setting, depth of field, detail, professional photographer, high quality.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.